Okay, I need lancers, I need EMP shells, and I need ordnance training. So, I have weapons for my lancers, but I'm looking for those too. So I'm going to kill a lancer base. Pretty simple. You're going to take a couple of bullseyes, and we're going to clear this base. So get rid of the towers. You need 6 bullseyes. You can't make 6. I can only make 5. So I'll go back out and make 1 more. This will reduce the damage that you get to, in actuality, almost nothing. Okay, so I have to go make 1 more. And then we'll show you how easy it is to defeat this base. All right, let's finish off this base. Again, the Lancer base. Lancer Survivors 95. One more tower. Now you don't want to deal with those guys, so reset the base. When you reset the base, they go away, because they will kill your escorts. Okay, now we just have escorts. So I have 4 escorts to a tune, 4 escorts to a squad, 4 squads. So I'm just going to send in 1. And we're going to slowly pick this base apart. I don't let them get a whole lot of damage. The less damage they take, the quicker they repair. I'll end up with probably 0 damage, because if it's less than 5 minutes, 0 damage. Come on, get over here. All right, get rid of them. You can do it any way you want. I do it this way because it reduces the amount of damage I take. Yeah, let's retreat him. He's had enough hard work. All right, now we're going to use the Lancers against them. We're going to let the Lancers kill a lot of the base for us. We're just going to line them up, send the Lancers out. And these are going to be our weapons. See, they're going to go down here, they're going to kill all this stuff down here for us. Okay, it's all done. That way you don't take very much damage at all. Like these guys only get damage from before. They get no damage when we just use the Lancers. The Lancers are great little things to use. Okay, he's gone. Again, I don't let anyone get a whole lot of damage. A little bit of damage, that way when I go back and repair, I spend no time in repairing. And I have immediate repair. retreat. Send in some more escorts. Send him away. Just take a little bit of damage. And then you can kill as many bases as you want to kill. Oh, okay, see this guy right here? He will kill your escorts. So wait till he goes back into the silo. Keep your eye on him. If he comes out, just retreat. Okay. Now we'll go kill it. If he comes out, he will kill your escorts. So we don't deal with it. We stay away. And then we just clean up. That's it. Now let's see if we got what we needed. I got EMP, okay, I need them. I didn't get the other one, but I need these guys. So, and again, you never know what you're going to get. Sometimes I get a whole bunch of worthless stuff. Now let's go home and see how much damage. It wasn't much damage. So build a couple of missiles. Use your escorts, and Lancer's bases are really easy. All right, how much time we got? That's not what we're looking for. Okay, 21 minutes, but of those 21 minutes, we will repair them a little bit at a time. Okay. So far, 0 time of repair. We got 1. So we'll repair him. Okay, 5:43. So he's got a little bit of time. Let's see how much the other ones are. No damage. Okay, so we got 5:43. And let's bring him in. 7 minutes, a couple minutes of damage. That was it. Okay.